saw the excitement firsthand. I saw how instructors and students appreciate the kind of technology MobLab provides, and I see how students learn, and with this new content, with this new pedagogy, and it's so rewarding. And um, at the same time, the more um, these observations that I have accumulated, the more I feel like there's a mission to be accomplished. And we're just at the beginning of a long journey. And if we can continue to push us to the fullest, eventually we will get to that 5, 10 year long term goal that we have set out to accomplish. And to me, that's tremendously meaningful.